Hello everybody, Keith here again. Just a very quick unboxing video. This is my birthday present to me. I asked put some orchids down on my wish list and nobody gave them to me, so I decided, as it was my one of my big birthdays, I would treat myself, and I bought a couple of Tolumnias. I've got hawkesiana, as you know, a species. These are a couple of hybrids, and I got them from Spicesotic Plants, which is one of the few places in the UK that seems to have a selection of them. So let's just have a look. All I've done is open the box. They delivered quite quickly. The website says 5 working days. In fact, these were posted on the 21st of April. It's now the 23rd of April and they arrived today. We've been out, so they've been sat outside in the shade, but it's been a reasonably warm day. It's been up to 14 degrees outside, so it shouldn't be a real problem for them. So let's have a look what we've got. All I've done is open the box. I haven't done any more, so we'll see what we've got. Nicely packed with shredded newspaper, and they are tiny. So my invoice, their little thing. So if you want to freeze the thing and use that QR code on your phone while we're doing it, that's them. I've had some good service off Spicesotic. Not that I buy a lot of plants anyway. Oh, and they're going to be at Malvern, the International Orchid Show at Malvern this year. We're going to be there with the East Midlands Orchid Society, so if you want to meet me in the flesh, I'll be pottering around there probably on the Saturday, but we'll talk about that a bit nearer too. But yeah, the East Midlands Orchid Society is going to be there. I believe it's going to be mostly, almost exclusively, I think, British dealers this time, rather than the international ones it used to be, but we'll see what turns up in the end. Okay, so they are, I'll just hold some details you don't need to see out of the way. They are supposed to be Giant Flyer Vermilion. I hope this is going to focus all right. And Tolumnia Giac Firm Orange Spread and Tolumnia Giac Flyer Vermilion. But they're out of flower, so we won't know. Now these, although they are quite small little beasts, they're considerably bigger than hawkesiana. The hawkesiana is really tiny, even for a Tolumnia, and they're not big orchids at the best of times. So I need something to cut that sellotape with. So I'll get my shears out and try my level best not to cause any serious damage. There we go. Ooh, we've got lots of roots. We've got lots of roots. We've got 2 fans on this one. This is Vermilion. Looks like it's going to need a good soak. Give it a good look at, because it's been in the post for a couple of days. But we have got one big fan and a second small fan I can see down there, so that's a good start. Quite pleased with that. This one then will be orange spread, and I may try and pinch the illustrations off the Spicesotic Plants website to give you an idea of the flowers. They are typical Tolumnias, very pretty. I really hope I can get these to flower, but I've got no experience with Tolumnias apart from hawkesiana. I nearly killed that before I got it going again. It seems very dark in here today, perhaps because the sun hasn't come round, but again, lots of roots. One big fan and a new fan, so again that's going to be a nice starting point. So what I want to do now is give them a good mist. Tomorrow they'll get a good soak. I don't want to do too much now because it's 20 past 5 in the afternoon, so it'll start to cool down fairly rapidly, and I don't want to leave these wringing wet overnight, but I'll give them a good spray, give them a little bit of a drink, and then we'll go from there. So that's 2 little Tolumnias, nice plants, seem to be in very good condition, lots of nice roots in there, so I'm really quite pleased with those. So thank you very much to Spicesotic Plants, and thank you for watching everybody. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.